You didn't see mommy? You didn't see mommy? You didn't see mommy? Cousin's here. Cousin Julia's here. Julia?
Yeah.
See, cousin here. Sorry. I don't know what she was crying for. Hmm? She goes, her eyes are open. Baby girl is here. Say hey, Uncle Glenn. It's like she's like, I don't see him. You don't see him? He's here. He's here, baby girl. Look at that. This one loved me. That's CJ. He in love with me. And 16. 14, 16. Nope. Nope. You don't watch this, Julia? Julia.
Yes, watching him.
You gonna wash your hand? Did you wash your hand? You wash your hand, Mama? I mean, I'm so used to call her Mama. Did you wash your hand? CJ. CJ. I know you hear me. CJ. Did you wash your hand? He did not wash his hand. See, I told you he's here. See, hey, look at her getting her pacifier. Baby, I got work to do. Yes, CJ. Look, he wants to sit on my lap too. Told you. Look. CJ, you're a big boy. You're a big boy, CJ. I told you. Look how she's looking at him. You guys see it, Mama? See, I'm about to see if I can feed her some mac and cheese. Get down real quick, please. Go get the food for me. Go get the mac and cheese. CJ, go get the food. Go get baby food. Mac and cheese, go get it for me, please. Go get it, please. CJ, go get it. CJ, get down. Go get baby food. Baby food, please. CJ, what's up? Good morning, good afternoon, guys. Good evening. I don't know where you're watching from. Oh, you just kissed my shoulder. Hold up, CJ. CJ, go get this for me. Please. Thank you. No, that one. This one on the floor. CJ, that one. Julia, get the bib. Julia, get the bib for me, please. Baby thing to eat. Right there, get it for me. It's purple. Thank you. Oh, wait, how do you say purple? Yeah. Say purple. Purple. Yay, good job, Mama. Thank you. Oh, you're welcome. Okay, I'm about to feed baby. Hold this for me, Julia, please. Hold it like this. Not like this, Julia. Okay. Like this. Hold it like this. Here, hold it. Hold the phone. All right. Okay, I'm about to get the high chair for baby to eat. Julia, up. Hold the phone up, please. Thank you. Show them the food. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, princess. Princess. My princess. Thank you. Look at the fish you gave me. I always your princess. Don't be jealous. I'm your princess, Mommy. Yeah, both my princess. Ellie, I have a lot of princess. You didn't know that? Ah. I don't have a baby spoon for her. It's at the house.